Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can fix sound problem in Samsung Galaxy A17. So if you are facing this problem, so let me show you. There are three simple methods to resolve this. First method is check if your mobile is on do not disturb mode. To do that, you need to swipe it, and here as you can see, my mobile is currently on do not disturb mode. From here you can also see that means I will not receive any kind of notification, call or any sound from them. To remove it, you need to simply tap on it and it is now removed. If you are still facing this problem, then you might check your sound settings. To do that, simply tap on settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. From here you will see volume button, tap on it. So as you can see here our volume is low, so let's increase it. So I hope your problem is resolved, but you are still facing this problem, then go to your dialer and type *#0*#. Now from here tap on speakers. Now as you can see, our sound and speaker is working absolutely fine. But if you are not hearing this sound, that means you have a hardware problem. So I recommend you to go to your nearest service center. But if you are listening this sound there, but you can't hear sound in your home screen, then I recommend you to go to your settings, scroll down and go to Journal Management. From here, you will see there is a reset option. Tap on it and from here, tap on Reset All Settings. Don't worry, you will not lose any kind of your data. It will only reset our settings. So, I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe and I will see you in next video.